Hey there, fellow RC enthusiasts. If you're just starting your journey into FPV RC planes, you've landed on the right spot. Our channel is your daily source for quality content, helping you navigate through various products with ease. Today, we're diving into the world of FPV RC planes for beginners. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's explore the best options together. Remember to like this video and check out our socials for more insights. Happy flying! Number 1. SOLOGOOD HEWING TO1 Fixed-Wing RC Plane. The SOLOGOOD HEWING TO1 Fixed-Wing RC Plane is extremely strong and durable thanks to its sturdy EPP, ABS and carbon fiber construction. This combination not only improves impact resistance, but also makes the aircraft less prone to breakage. A notable upgrade to this model is the new flight control system, which, together with the two engines, provides a high thrust-to-weight ratio of 1.71. This feature, combined with the support for multiple external cameras, makes it a versatile choice for a variety of flights. When it comes to performance, the SOLOGOOD HEWING TO1 demonstrates excellent performance, reaching speeds from less than 20 km per hour to over 120 km per hour and an impressive flight time of over 65 minutes. This makes it particularly suitable for slow flights in small fields or for FPV adventures in the jungle. All in all, this remote control airplane is a versatile, convenient and reliable option for both beginners and experienced pilots. Number 2. VATX RC Ranger 400 Airplane. VATX RC Ranger 400 Airplane has the highest level of stability that the X-Pilot gyro stabilizer can provide. The strong overgrade motor system makes it simple to fly aerobatic flights. It's a great remote control plane for novices and experienced flyers. Beginners may learn to fly radio control model planes by progressing from one level to another. The glider uses 2.4 GHz frequency and radio control distance of 656 feet to provide exciting flight experiences. The strong anti-interference feature allows for the conduct of a small group party between you and your friends using this remote control model aircraft. As indicated by our tests, the VATX RC Ranger 400 Park Flyer with X-Pilot gyro stabilizer provides unparalleled stability and a reliable motor system, making it suitable for both aerobatic flights and beginners learning to fly radio-controlled model airplanes. Number 3. SOLOGOOD Delta Wing R690 EPP FPV RC Fixed-Wing Aircraft. SOLOGOOD Diatone Ripper R690 is molded by tough EPP material, carbon fiber tubes, lighter weight, super stable flying ability, and crush resistance. This fixed-wing drone has detachable wings that are easy to transport. The V-tail design is more stable than a conventional delta wing. You may customize the installation method to your liking, build your own flying wing RC plane and fly happily. No electronics are included in the package. Based on our observations, SOLOGOOD Delta Wing R690 tailored for DJI high-definition digital transmission with dedicated basis, balancing high strength and lightweight, and supports a flying speed range from less than 27 km per hour to over 200+ km per hour. Number 4. Hobbyzone RC Airplane Aeros Scout S2. The Hobbyzone Aeros Scout S2 is an ideal radio-controlled airplane for beginners and a valuable tool for experienced pilots. One of the key features of the Aeros Scout S2 is its exclusive safe, sensor-assisted flight envelope technology. This system significantly reduces the risk of accidents and simplifies the learning process, making it an excellent choice for those who are just starting to fly a remote-controlled aircraft. The aircraft offers 3 different flight modes, beginner, intermediate, and advanced, that pilots can easily switch between. The included Spectrum DXS controller transmitter uses industry-leading 2.4 GHz DSMX technology to provide reliable, seamless control, which is crucial for beginners. The Hobbyzone Aeros Scout S2 is an excellent choice for anyone starting in RC flying or for experienced pilots looking to instruct others. Its combination of safety features, ease of use, and versatile flight capabilities make it a top contender in its category. Number 5. VALENTIC RC Ranger FPV Training Glider Plane 757-4. VALENTIC RC Ranger FPV Training Glider Plane 757-4 like the Ranger X, but with bigger space for larger batteries. It's fully designed for FPV. Easy to mount any kind of camera due to its huge fuselage capacity. No glue required, it is quick and simple to assemble. The Outrunner brushless motor is quite powerful. 11.1 volts LiPo 2000 mAh battery included. Less than 20 minutes is assembly required. Wingspan, 1,380 mm, overall length, 940 mm. Our findings show that the Ranger X, designed specifically for FPV, first-person view, features a spacious fuselage for mounting various cameras and carrying large batteries, along with quick and easy assembly without the need for glue. It comes equipped with a powerful brushless outrunner motor, is easy to fly like a trainer, and includes an 11.1 volt LiPo 2000 mAh battery.